Zur Abdur Rahman Sahib's question is going to be based on verse number 15 from Surah Ash-Shura, chapter number 42. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa ma tafarraqu illa min ba'di ma ja'ahumul ilmu baghyan bainahum wa lawla kalimatun sabaqat min rabbika ila ajalin musamma laquziya bainahum wa innal ladzina urisul kitaba min ba'dihim lafi shakkin minhu murib. I read out the translation. The translation of this verse is, they did not differ and split, but after knowledge had come to them, they did so out of envy against each other. And had it not been for a word that had already gone forth from thy Lord for an appointed term, the matter would surely have been decided between them. And surely those who were made to inherit the book after them are in a disquieting doubt concerning it.
So my question is about kalima. What is the meaning of kalima in this verse?
وَلَوْلَا kalematun sabaqat min.
That's the only question? What is kalima? Kalima is the word of God, a decision which has been passed by him beforehand. So had this not been the case, that God had given them some more time to go on fighting among each other until finally the matter is resolved, then the way they are fighting with each other and destroying the purpose of religion, the matter might have been settled much earlier. They might have been destroyed. So look at the ulama of today. They have been becoming decadent for the last so many years, for many centuries, maybe 1,000 years or so. And they could have been wiped out of the face of the earth, or what they have been doing to the Quran and the message of the Holy Quran. So, but God has a plan of things. God let them do whatever they potentially can. So when everything they can do is exhausted and they cannot bring anything more against the truth, then Allah frustrates all their efforts and destroys them. This has been happening in the past, and this is going to happen now.